subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.
What's up, YouTube? We're on my floor and we're going to take a quick look at this cassette to aux cable adapter. If you are old enough to remember these, then you know exactly how they work. You pop these into your car cassette deck and plug in your auxiliary device, in my case, iPod Classic. Still rocking the Classic in 2026. Check out my videos on how to flash mod an iPod Classic. There's a quick start guide. This company also makes a cassette adapter with Bluetooth. Check out the links down below. It'll take you to their store. So nothing fancy with this unbox here. Pretty standard. Feels solid. We'll see how long this cable is. It is a round cable. It's about 3 foot long. Sometimes you can get these and the cable is way too long and it is sort of hard to deal with. We'll give this a test and see how it works. So stay tuned.
Try this baby out. Pop it in.
It will auto recognize the tape. All right, I've got the iPod Classic here and you can hear that it works. I don't want to get copyright striked, but I'll just play 2 seconds of classical. You get the picture. Super easy to use, plug and play. You know, the one little nuance is that usually for something like an iPod, you turn the volume higher on the iPod than on the tape deck. Sometimes it's the reverse of that. Just figure out which device needs the higher volume. You'll know right away because the audio will start clipping, distorting. If you're old like me, then you already know that. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Check out the links down below. Seems quality. Should last another, 5 years, 8 years. I'm going to try to take apart the other one I have and see what's wrong with it. Have it as a backup. Subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See ya.